Dominic is trying Italian ice.
Italian ice.
Cherry.
Cherry,
Right.
Italian ice. Here. Oh. Come on, I got it. Good job. You like Italian ice, huh?
What do you think, Dominic?
Good stuff.
Do you
He
like
says
it?
yes, he loves it.
Uh,
One more bite.
Dominic.
Good.
Yum!
Good job.
Dominic,
Yay.
do you like it? He's very busy right now. He's got puffs he's trying to eat. Oh, look at that handful. Oh, goodness. Good job, Dominic. Yay! Dominic, did you like that Italian ice? Another bite?
Oh no, he's got
Oh,
some
he's
in his
got
mouth.
puffs.
Yep.
Are you putting some in the cup? Oh, no.